All right, YouTubes. It's a Saturday morning. I'm already late. I'm usually not the late guy, but I had to walk my dog, man. And, so that got me a little behind schedule, but I think the guys will be okay with it. I had to go take apart this newer, true makeup table. And I got a hunch it's already low on charge, so I'm going to take a page out of RPM SoCal's book. I'm gonna put UV dye in this thing because, ooh, that's bad. Because they want to use it, right? It's their starting lineup at the taqueria. So I'm gonna UV dye this thing, and then we'll come back and leak check it. And of course, we'll probably, if it is low, it's probably gonna be the evaporator coil. But then we can confirm, and then we'll have to get one under warranty. I'm assuming it's under warranty still. But we'll get all the numbers and check, so come along for the ride and we'll scope it out. And then I got 2 freezers after that, and I need to recheck. There was no live stream yesterday. Oh, my ear is itchy, sorry about that. We'll leave it on film just because it's funny. I want to go recheck this chiller. Set a chiller yesterday at the wine place, so the grapes are all coming in early this season because we had a heat wave in May. So they're harvesting the grapes, making wine, chillers are running. They had a flow switch that took a dookie, so I actually bypassed it to get them going because they got to produce. And I got another one coming. It's not going to be here till Thursday. McDonald Miller, I think it's a FS8W, pretty common flow switch. There's other safeties in the system that I think will be okay with it running like that. But I'm going to stop by and make sure everything's okay after we get done with freezers. So stay tuned and we'll get out there. Oh, look at my windshield. Disgusting. I think we're going to take this thing to the car wash today too. That'll definitely be on the list. And let's get out there. Hey, how you doing?
Morning.
How are you?
Good, yeah.
Let's see what shape old Tippins is in. Oh, not bad, Mr. Tippy. Look at yourself. Mr. Tippins. All right, let's get the knee pads on and get in there. All right, we're doing serial number lookup. Yep, that's the one we were working on, the R290 Special. It's a little TPP AT60HC. Oh, ship date, October of 21. Oh my goodness, older than I thought. All right. 5 years, almost 5 years old. Wow. Okay, good to know. All right, we're at the next one. I didn't film a lot on the last one. The guys were busy in there. So we basically had to add some fittings to check the charge. I didn't realize that thing was already 5 years old. We'll see how that one makes out. It's up running. I put some UV dye in it. I know, predator blood. But on those little R290 units, what the heck? Now we're going to check out this old freezer, reach in, true, and see it's having problems keeping up is what I was told yesterday. Let's check it out. Okay, let's see what we got here. This is our little true original recipe. We'll run that serial number. What's this one here? 404A, 10 ounces. Seems to be jamming along right now. Let's get a thermometer in there. We'll check it out. Old timer's still going strong. Look at that. Okay. Put that in there. See where we're going. Oh yeah, we got some gasket issue right here. Look at this. Let's see if we get that in. Oh yeah, a little snapper doodle. That'll make a difference. Yeah, big time. How's this one doing? This is doing the same. Over here. Ice in there. Alright, looks like we're going to need to deep clean this coil. I'm going to try and get this grill cleaned up too. Let's see. Wow. Whew. Okay, this one's never had a leak or anything. Look, no stubs on it. I think you could use a coil cleaning. See if that picks her up. Let's see if we get a deep clean on there. Okay, we'll get the plug out of here. Okay. That way we can get this tidied up, especially the air intake side. This thing cleaned up pretty good. It was plugged. So you got air coming in the condenser, but it also air coming in, air going out. We're gonna grab Sunjo and some cleaner. Let's do it. Okay, I got a bunch of coil cleaner on here. We'll get this deep shined up. I'll put a little more on the back there. Yeah. Why not? Try and get this dude super tidy. Oh yeah, it was dirty. I think we'll go for some hot water in old Mr. Sunjo. -3, -5. Looks pretty good. When I open this, you're gonna see what the problem is. You guys tell me what the problem is. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. All right, you guys know what the problem is, leave a comment. All right, this is an H.V.A.C. It had a bad condenser fan motor we replaced. This is what refrigeration hell looks like. Look. There it is. Welcome. You are in there. Oh boy. Look who it is. It's like if Mr. Tippins was brand new. Check him out.